Wahala for who turn CCTV for wahala but no sabi record life. My people, e get one thing wey dey shock me reach my bone marrow. Na dis one wey everybody don turn cinematographer when kasala burst. Two people just start small quarrel. 20 phones don go high like drone dey go live. Even accident never settle. Person don dey shout, make una shift, I no dey see the spot. But ask the same person simple matter, wahala go start. Wetin be your grandpapa name? Abeg wait make I call my mama. Your pikin birthday nko? Na that year wey rain fall, you no remember? Funny enough, we fit record wahala with 4K clarity. But the real thing wey suppose define us, family history, origin, milestone, na there our brain go dey do loading. How person go fit tell you the whole gist of a stranger fight, but no fit tell you the village wey im grandparents come from? The true talk be say, sometimes e good make we drop phone, calm down and remember the things wey really matter to us. History, family, roots, memories, because na those ones dey really shape who we be. Follow me for more true talk. My brother man and sister woman, I salute una. Una doh.